Hello everyone and welcome to this first video of SlothTrading.com. In this video the idea is to show you the tool that we have developed and give a little bit of tutorial through this website. I think it's a quite useful tool because what we have done so far is we have analyzed and tracked thousands and I would say even millions of data for 20 different Forex pairs and 23 currently, I think, cryptocurrencies. So based on this past data, we have used like a convolutional neural network, and every single hour the system predicts new price predictions for different time frames. So every single hour the website makes a prediction for the price for the next hour, as you can see here, next 4 hours, next day, 3 days, and 1 week. The same happens for Forex, but as you may know, Forex is only open on a Monday to Friday basis. So during the weekend, the market is closed. So the last hour of the Friday, it makes the prediction for the first hour of Monday, and this is basically how it works. You can see the times are UTC, and this is basically the home page. Okay, so why I have said in the title that that we have developed somehow like a profitable trading algorithm is that if you go to, for example, only cryptocurrencies and you click on any asset, I mean you can click on any box to see the further detail, you will get to this page. So what basically you are seeing in this page is what is the current price prediction for this specific asset, which is Chainlink, on a weekly basis. So it's basically saying that at this specific time it will be trading like minus 3.68% compared to its reference price. So it will go down, it will decrease in price. And you can, since every hour it makes a new price prediction for the next week, there are still many open price predictions. So if you click here, you can see what are the still open predictions and what is the yield that they are achieving somehow. So you can just move around, see different as you can see here, for example, for Binance Coin, this was the terrible Terra Luna crash, and I mean all the market dumped, and the system, what basically happens when there are like extreme volatility events, it's not able somehow to predict. But since we are making one prediction every hour, it somehow does like a dollar cost average. So you are escalating your position. So you are not just betting on the top and then betting on the bottom. You just bet all the way it's decreasing. So the profits and the losses are not that aggressive. So you can just look around and see what are the predictions for different. There are like 23 currently, which is kind of interesting. And if we go to the Forex section, now we have 20 pairs. So these are like the most popular pairs around the world. And it's the same concept for compared to cryptocurrencies. You can click on any asset, for example, I don't know, like Australian dollar, US dollar, and you will see what is the current prediction for 1 week. And you can see the yield, and also this chart below, it's like we call it like a binary accuracy chart. So every hour we make a prediction. So if the system predicts that the price is gonna go up and finally the price goes up, then we count that as a hit. And if we miss that one and the price goes down, then we weren't right there. So the accuracy varies depending on the week. And it's basically the same. You can click to see the current open predictions, and you can click on any bar as well to see what were the predictions for that specific week. So you can see the dates this is 20th of February 2022, the initial date, the end date, the initial value, what the system predicted, and how it ended. And it's basically the same. So if you go around and go looking for the 1 week time frame and click on different assets, you will see that mainly, like on average, if we take all the assets and make an average, it's profitable. And this is already taking into account the transaction fees for specifically FXCM. And for cryptocurrencies, we are taking the transaction fees for Binance futures. So if I don't remember it wrong, it's 0.06 for opening and closing a position, because we think like opening in a limit and closing at market, and same for Forex. So yeah, it's basically that. You can just look around, look at what were the predictions for the different time frames. And if you have any question or you have any inquiry, you can just contact us at this email. I'll leave this email in the description below, and just message if you need any help or have any questions or have any, I don't know, business proposal or whatever. And also consider like buying us a coffee, because we are running servers 24/7 on the cloud to keep all these predictions going on. So if you like the system, and if you want to help us to build this for stock market and also maybe commodities, just it would be nice to get a coffee bot from you. So see you around on next videos. My idea for the next videos is like making a weekly review of the results. So what have been the results for each week in terms of yield, how much money, or how many times was the system right, or what were the most profitable assets for that week. And also making like a summary for the predictions for the next week. So if the system is predicting that, I don't know, the euro is going to be strong for that week, so making an analysis based on what the website is telling us, basically. So if you like the video, consider subscribing, hitting the like button, and leaving a comment on the comment section, because that would be highly appreciated. So take care and see you soon. Bye.